Dear students, today we are going to learn to find the torque acting on a magnetic dipole which is placed in uniform magnetic field. Here we assume that the uniform magnetic field is capital B and the magnetic dipole moment is having effective length 2L, which is equal to the length ns. This is representing the Sn is representing the magnetic dipole direction of magnetic dipole moment, and the pole strength of each pole, south pole or north pole of the magnetic dipole is taken to be MP. Now we also assume that the magnetic dipole which is placed in uniform magnetic field is making some angle theta with the direction of magnetic field in which it is placed. Now we have to find the torque acting on this magnetic dipole moment due to magnetic field present over there. Well, we know the relation torque is equal to R cross F, where R is the position vector and F is the force acting on each pole which is forming the couple. Here the position vector R is equal to, you see, you expand this torque R cross F in two ways. Either you write equal to magnitude of R into magnitude of F into sine of the angle between vector R and vector F, or you write for torque equal to perpendicular distance between the two anti-parallel forces into the individual force. So here we are preferring to have this format: perpendicular distance between the two anti-parallel forces and multiplied by the individual force acting on the magnetic poles. Here from right angle triangle NSA we have drawn a perpendicular on the line SA, that is on the line showing the direction of magnetic field. So now we got a right angle triangle NSA, angle A is 90 degree. From this right angle triangle we can have sine theta equal to perpendicular, that is NA divided by NS. So we can write NA equal to NS sine theta, and that we have done. NA equal to NS sine theta, and for NS we have 2L. For NS we have 2L, this 2L and sine theta. So we got vector R, magnitude of vector R is 2L sine theta. That is perpendicular distance. In fact, it is the perpendicular distance between the two anti-parallel forces, and individual force acting on the poles are MP into B, where MP is the pole strength and B is the magnetic field. But the direction of these forces are in opposite direction in the two cases. Now when we put the value of R perpendicular and individual force, we get torque acting on the magnetic dipole placed in uniform magnetic field equal to 2L sine theta. This is for perpendicular distance between the two anti-parallel forces, and multiplied by the individual anti-parallel forces. So here you see MP into 2L is nothing but magnetic dipole moment of the magnetic dipole, and so that means we can replace MP2L by M magnitude, and B is already there and sine theta is already there. Therefore we can further write it in vector form: torque is equal to M cross M vector cross B vector. M is the magnetic dipole moment and B is the uniform magnetic field in which the magnetic dipole is placed. In this case, what you see, the direction of torque is going away from the observer, from you students. It is going away from the observer and going into the board, and the magnetic dipole tends to rotate in clockwise direction in this case. So that's all for today. We have learned that what is the torque acting on a magnetic dipole when it is placed in uniform magnetic field. Thank you and have a nice day.